What if talking to ChatGPT became so natural that you couldn't tell if you were speaking to a real person? Well, OpenAI has just unveiled something called GPT-Live, and it completely changes the way we interact with AI. Unlike traditional voice assistants that wait for you to finish speaking before responding, GPT-Live can listen and talk at the same time, just like a real human conversation. In this video, I'll show you what GPT-Live is, how it works, what makes it different from the current ChatGPT voice mode, and why this could be one of the biggest AI upgrades we've seen this year.
Welcome back to Ray Creators Lab, where we explore the latest AI tools and online technologies to help content creators work smarter. So let's dive in and see exactly what GPT-Live can do, who can use it, and why creators, businesses, and everyday users should be paying close attention.
I'm making a sweater for my grandson, but I don't want the needles to be too big. What do you think?
If you go up, it's going to get kind of baggy.
Although baggy is very popular now, don't you
sure
think?
is.
I know,
It
right?
is.
All right, you ready?
I'm ready. Today, we are announcing the all-new ChatGPT Voice, powered by GPT-Live 1, a full-duplex conversational partner that is the most powerful voice model ever built.
Can you simplify that?
Sure can. Can you explain what a full-duplex voice model is?
Yeah, imagine a normal call with a friend. You can listen and talk at the same time. That's full duplex.
We are now pushing voice technology closer to how real people talk to each other, where it can follow interruptions, pauses, corrections, and the natural flow of thinking things out loud. Let me pass it to Constance to tell you more.
I'm planning a trip to Santorini. I want to spend a month over there.
That sounds like an amazing trip.
Okay, we're ready.
Okay, you can take a break now. Bye.
Okay, I'm here if you need me.
I know. Natural conversation is nice, but I'm more interested in whether it can think. ChatGPT Voice can reason through harder problems and search the web for up-to-date information. Here, let me show you. Okay, I'm giving a lecture in 30 minutes on the history of sound.
Okay.
Okay, can you fact-check my dates?
Sure.
Scott de Martinville's phonautograph in 1857, Edison's tinfoil phonograph in 1865, and Berlinger's gramophone in 1887.
I'll check those right
Okay,
now.
and while you're looking, can you find out if there are any delays in the 16th Street BART station?
Sure.
Okay, and then I need to know if it's going to rain this afternoon.
Checking BART and the weather. I'm not seeing any current advisory for 16th Street mission right now.
Okay, great.
Yeah,
So I'll
there
be on
is-
time. How about the rain?
Good news. No rain expected today
Okay,
in San
great.
Francisco.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
And how are my dates?
Yeah, one needs correcting.
Okay.
So Edison's tinfoil phonograph should be 1877, not 1865.
You know what? I knew that. I was testing you.
Nice.
That's the intelligence shift. Lavelle?
ChatGPT Voice also brings that intelligence to real-time translation. SJ, will you come here? Let's pretend my friend SJ here is a rare book deal in Paris.
Oui.
Starting live translation into French now.
I like this book.
J'aime ce livre.
It's my favorite book.
C'est mon livre préféré.
But I can't pay you premium price because the book is all marked
Tu
up.
payer le prix fort parce que le livre est tout annoté.
Tell her 30 and we have a deal.
Et on conclut.
Oh, bon, madame, bon.
Oh, merci beaucoup.
The new ChatGPT Voice listens while it speaks, is smarter than ever, and it knows when to jump in or get out of the way.
Cut.
Thank God I'm starving. Can you recommend a good place to eat, honey?
Oh, absolutely. What are you in the mood for?
Hey, I've been experimenting with my look, and I need you to be a really harsh critic right now because I'm meeting my girlfriend's parents for the first time. I think this outfit works, but what is your really honest opinion?
Absolutely. I got you.
Awesome. What do you think?
I honestly love the vibe, but for meeting parents, it might read a tiny bit loud. If you want safer but still you, keep the cut, but go for a subtler color or pattern.
Okay, that's super helpful. I have another one that might be a little bit safer. Would love your thoughts. What do you think?
I like the laid-back vibe. The muted shirt over the white tee feels casual and friendly, and the light jeans and sneakers make it approachable. If you wanted a touch sharper, swap the sneakers for cleaner ones or a simple loafer.
Awesome, thanks.
You're welcome.
Hey, can you show me the weather in Mexico City this week?
Sure, checking Mexico City now. Okay. Mexico City looks mild and wet this week, with daily highs around the low to mid 70s.
Okay, not bad, not bad. Could you actually show me when the next group stage games are happening for Mexico?
Sure, let me check that. Mexico's group stage matches are in Group A. They beat South Africa 2-0 on June 11th, and they still have South Korea on June 18th, then Czechia on June 24th.
I can definitely catch that last game. Awesome. Okay, show me some really fun places to watch the games in Mexico City.
Let me check that real quick. If you're in Mexico City for the Mexico-Czechia match, I'd look at spots like Torito Sports Bar in Sorhendes for a big game day crowd, Gallo Cervecero for a lively soccer vibe and solid beer selection, the Doghouse Pub, or even a rooftop like Toledo Rooftop if you want something a bit chiller.
I think I'm going to Gallo. Thank you so much.
Oh, you're welcome. Have fun.
That's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments. Would you use GPT-Live over the current ChatGPT Voice mode? And if you want more AI tools, tutorials, and the latest tech updates for content creators, subscribe to Ray Creators Lab and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.